హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు విద్యా టీవీ. ఈ పర్టికులర్ వీడియోలో మనం సింగరేణి కాలేజ్ జూనియర్ అసిస్టెంట్ సంబంధించిన కొన్ని మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ చేద్దామండి. ఈ పర్టికులర్ వీడియో వచ్చేసి కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ పైన రీసెంట్ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి ద షేకతార్ committee was in news recently is related to which of the following? Shekatkar committee was in news recently is related to which of the following? Options: privatization of public sector banks, national geospatial policy, finance sector reforms, and the fourth option is enhancing combat capability of the armed force. And the answer is option D, enhancing combat capability of the armed force. Next question. Landsat 9 was recently launched by. Landsat 9 was recently launched by. Options: China National Space Administration, European Space Agency, option B. Option C, Indian Space Research Organization, and option D, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. And the answer is option C, Indian Space and Research Organization, that is ISRO. Next question. Saichen Glacier is situated to the. Saichen Glacier is situated to the options: east of Aksaichen, east of Leh, north of Gilgit, and north of Nubra Valley. And the answer is option D, north of Nubra Valley. Next question. Which one of the following is associated with the issue of control and phasing out of the use of ozone depleting substances? I'll repeat the question. Which one of the following is associated with the issue of controlling and phasing out of the use of ozone depleting substances? And the options are Bretton Woods Conference, Montreal Protocol, Kyoto Protocol, Nagoya Protocol. These are the options, and the answer is option B, Montreal Protocol. Option B, Montreal Protocol. Next question. The area known as Golan Heights sometimes appears in the news in the context of the events related to. The area known as Golan Heights appears in the news in the context of the events related to. Of the events related to the Southeast Asia. Of the events related to the it is related to the Middle East. The option B is the right answer. The Golan Heights is related to the Middle East. Next question. The Zero Carbon Act was in news recently is passed by which of the following? Options. Option A, United States of America, United Kingdom, European Union, and New Zealand. And the answer is option D, New Zealand. The answer is option D, New Zealand. The Zero Carbon Act is passed by New Zealand country. Next question. Swechha program is an awareness drive on menstruation launched recently by? Swechha program was launched recently by options Kerala government, Delhi government, Andhra Pradesh government, and option D Rajasthan government. And the answer is option C Andhra Pradesh government. It was launched by Swechha program was launched by Andhra Pradesh government. Next question. Which one of the following protected areas is well known for the conservation of the Great Indian One-Horned Rhinoceros? Great Indian One-Horned Rhinoceros, the protected areas of rhinoceros, one-horned. And the answer is, and the options are Bandipur National Park, Molem National Park, Similpal National Park, and Manas National Park. And the answer is option D, Manas National Park. Is well known for the conservation of Great Indian One-Horned Rhinoceros. Next question. Recently, which one of the following country has approved a plan to reduce greenhouse gas emissions in agriculture and forestry sectors by 55 and 65% respectively by 2030? Respectively by 2030, reduction of greenhouse gas emissions by 55 to 65% by 2030. And the country is Germany. Option C, Germany. The country Germany has approved a plan to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 2030 around 55 to 65% of agriculture and forestry sectors related gas emissions. That is, answer is Germany. Next question. Samudra Shakti is a bilateral exercise between the navies of India and options Sri Lanka, Thailand, Singapore, and Indonesia. It is a bilateral exercise. Samudra Shakti is a bilateral exercise between navies of India and Indonesia. Navies of India and Indonesia. Option D is the right answer. Next question. In which of the following states is Velavadar Blackbuck Sanctuary located? Velavadar Blackbuck Sanctuary located. Options Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, and Gujarat. And the answer is option D, Gujarat. Velavadar Blackbuck Sanctuary is located in Gujarat state. Next one. Pratas Island lies in the Indian Ocean, East China Sea, South China Sea, Java Sea. And the answer is it lies in South China Sea. Pratas Island lies in the South China Sea. Right. That's all for this video. Thank you.